Hey guys, Diana here from strategicfinances.net, helping stay-at-home mompreneurs increase their cash flow and create better financial strategies. So today I just wanted to talk a little bit about the next step in increasing your cash flow. So I've been going through I have a free PDF on the 8 steps to increase your cash flow. And what I've been doing is this little mini series, and I've been going through each step, just giving you a little bit of information on each step. So, the first step I talked about just acquiring as much cash flow as possible through various different methods. And then step 2, I talked about, starting an emergency fund. Now, today I'm going to talk about step 3, which is essentially just investing, right? That's you want to get past the point of just saving and just paying for your lifestyle. You want to start looking at your future lifestyle, right? Because there's going to come a day where you won't want to work anymore, or you won't be able to work anymore. Okay, so you want to set things up now. So there's different ways you can invest. So one way is through just investing for retirement. Okay, just think about how much money do you want coming in every single month when you're no longer working, and you set that up and you contribute to that on a consistent basis long term. Okay, I'm not gonna go into detail in that on this video. I did do a video on that. I may link it below on looking at your goals, how to actually set the goal, and then set the goal. Like, let's think about what you want and what it's going to take to get there. Okay, I may link that video below. But that's essentially it. You want your money to grow. So one thing that I'm doing right now, me and my husband, we are in the process of purchasing our first home. That is a form of investment. So we were looking through the numbers, and what we're doing is we're purchasing a home, and we already know what we want to do to increase the value on the home. So we're going to be doing some renovations, some fixing up, right? So that in a few years we could sell it, right? And we were looking at the numbers and the way that the market is going. We'll easily be able to profit, right? If we were to sell the house, we can profit, right? Or we could rent out the property and then have that cash flow coming in, right? And that's just one property. So that is one form of investing. I just went through that example, right? And other ways you can invest in Bitcoin. Right now I'm learning about Bitcoin. I've invested a little with Bitcoin. What I've learned so far that stands out to me is don't invest more than you're willing to lose. I love that, right? Because that can be investing can be risky but the number one thing is you want to understand investing and then take action on what you understand, right? But you definitely, like, with everything that's happening right now in our economy, with the stimulus and, the prices right now on houses are up, right? Houses are selling for more than they were, in a few years back. And so you want to be in position for your income to increase as prices are increasing, as home prices are increasing, as vehicle prices are increasing, as material prices are increasing, to do different projects on your home or to build a home, as groceries are increasing, maybe gas prices will increase, right? So that's inflation, right? So you want to be able to outpace inflation, and the way to do that is investing, because if you don't, you're going to be stuck. So let's say that you work a job, you get paid $50,000. The medium or the average income in the United States is like a little over $50,000 a year. So that's been that way for a while. So just imagine the price of everything going up, but you're still making $50,000. You've got to have another business. You've got to invest somehow, some way, so that your money can grow. So again, step number 3 in increasing your cash flow, just a recap, is going to be investing. And there's different ways to invest. One way that I'm investing is we're getting, actually in the next 3 weeks, we should close, right? We should close on our first home. We're going to do fixing up on it throughout the next couple of years, and then we could sell it, make a profit, or we can rent it out and have money coming in that way, and then keep doing that over and over, and then that's cash flow coming in. We're going to get a return on our investment, right? And another way to invest is you invest for retirement for the long term, right? And you put so much money aside every single month into a retirement account so that your money can grow, compound interest. You can also invest in Bitcoin. You can invest in different stocks, and you can invest in a business. My favorite way to invest is in a business, because you can put some money up front, put in the work, grow that business, and get a return on that investment, and have maybe active money coming in, right? Extra above what you do for bringing in money. Or you can have passive income coming in. You can set that up. You have to put in the work up front, but it can yield you a return, all right? So definitely invest. Start investing, learn, educate here on YouTube, here on Instagram. You can learn how to invest. That's where I would recommend you start. And also, I welcome you to look in the description box below and download my free 8-step game plan to increase your cash flow this year. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.